Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Golden Spear Homestead. Well, guys, today is Friday, June 16th, 2024, and I wanted to come in real quick and give you guys an update on the project up at the property. As you guys all know, in my last episode, I told you guys we were moving forward with the home build. That's part of the program through Yavapai County called Home of My Own. Over the past few weeks, I've been real busy trying to gather all the necessary documents that I need to get it submitted in order to start the process of getting my permit review done and approved. So some of the documents that I had to get together, as you guys remember, I had to wait on getting my geo test done. I got my geo test done, and pretty much what a geo test is, it's when they come out and they dig holes and they look at the soil quality and they tell you what is going to be needed as far as cut and fill for your foundation. Now, because we had that pad done when we were going to go with the manufactured house, I am pleased, and it's a blessing that we don't have to do any cut and fill, that our pad got certified, and so we can start building and working on our foundation at the grade that we have at the property. So I'm excited about that. All of my documents have been reviewed, and as of yesterday when I got the email, they're approved. So now what? There is a balance, so I just have to pay the fees. I've already paid my down deposit when I submitted my documents. So now I have to pay the balance, and then we'll get our building permit. Hey, all right. So excited about that. So now that we have our building permit, what's next? Glad that you asked. So once I pay this balance, there's a balance that is due. Once I pay that balance and they issue my permit, then I can get to work. The next steps on my checkoff list is, once I have permit in hand, I'll reach out to APS, and then we'll start the process for getting the power ran out to the property. Now, what is that going to entail? I have to do some groundwork before they'll come out and start hooking up the transformer. So I have to do the transformer pad. I have to trench from where the pad is going to be up to where the pedal stool is. Then I have to run the conduit, and then I have to call EPS out and have them come out and inspect it before I can cover that all up. So that's going to be probably one of the next things that I have to do. Now, I'm currently not at the property. The plan is to go back up to the property in a couple weeks. And finish up the pedal stool, and then hopefully by then I'll have the permit in hand. So very excited. How has my experience been with this Home of My Own program so far? On a scale of 1 to 10, guys, I'm going to tell you, it's a 10. Everything that I reviewed, all the research that I did about this program online through Yavapai County has been exact. It's been exactly what they said. So the total cost for plan review, document review, flood control review, all the reviews that you gotta have before getting your permit issued was a little bit over $1,700. That's what they advertised on their website, and that's what it cost. I was kind of worried because, again, this program was developed in 2017, so I thought the cost of inflation, or that may change or cause a change in the costing for the permit process, and it didn't. Whatever is written is what we paid. So I'm excited about that. And then on top of that, normally, when you go through a permit process for a house, it takes a long time. There's a lot of hoops that you gotta jump through and back and forth. Guys, I think I got from beginning to end, we got our approval probably less than a month. So again, if you're in the Yavapai County and you're thinking about doing the Home of My Own program, so far I have nothing but good things to say about it, and I tell you to go for it. I have a question for everybody out there, all my YouTube friends and people that have channels. We've been doing this, I've been doing this trying to build my audience, trying to build my subscribers, and again, short of creating these videos and putting them out, I really have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to trying to be a YouTuber. So if anybody have some direction or some tips or some pointers or whatever, you can advice to help me out, please add them in the comments, send us an email, and help us out. So there you have it. That's the update, guys. Look for us being back up at the property within the next couple of weeks, and then we'll be ready to get to work. You guys have a great Friday, a wonderful weekend. Happy Father's Day to all my fathers out there. Surround yourself with positive energy, love, and blessings and happiness, and enjoy some really good quality family time. And in 2 weeks, we'll see you guys again. All righty. Thank you.